Hey guys, welcome back to Limitless Detailing. Today we're going to show you something very special. It is a new product line by GloveBoxRX. What we have here is GloveBox's starter kit. Inside the box, you'll find 4 sprayers, 4 bottles, 4 cartridges, and 4 towels from our friends over at the Rag Company. As soon as you open the box, you'll be greeted by information on each cartridge and instructions on how to use. This here, guys, is the revolutionary cartridge system. You get 4 in total in the starter pack, and that includes the interior cleaner that's white, the waterless wash that's green, the glass cleaner that's blue, and the wax that is purple. In order to see the magic happen, you'll have to fill the bottle up to the fill line. You'll then drop the cartridge, followed by the sprayer. Twist until you hear a loud click, and the concentrated liquid will mix with the water. You can give the bottle a nice shake to make sure everything mixes properly. I love the fact that these bottles don't have any huge labels. You already know what you're getting. And all the branding is done on the cartridge. It's also good for people, like me, myself, who love to reuse bottles, and these things are meant to last. They actually shot us a video of someone running it over and, putting it back to life, or, blowing it back up. Obviously, you're not gonna do that, but it's good to know that these can take a beating. We live in Maryland. We're here, our shop is based in Maryland, and one of the issues we've had with products being delivered to us is that they freeze on the way and then explode. They're either frozen once we get them, or they've already exploded and they're leaking everywhere, and this solves that issue. These cartridges have been rigorously tested in extreme heat and extreme cold, and guess what? You're good to go. The question on everyone's mind, how much will these things be going for? You can get these soon at the GloveBox website, and we'll have the description in the link below. Starting off at, I think, $49.99 plus taxes and shipping and handling. And you can get these cartridges for around $12.99, all 4, plus taxes and shipping and handling. Make sure to use our discount code, which is here, for 20% off on your first subscription box. These look a lot like shotgun shells. So what I did was went online, went on Amazon, looked up shotgun shell holder, and found this bad boy. Now, I don't know if it fits. We're gonna try that out right now. Let's try. That fits quite nicely. Let's put the rest in there. Look at that. That's actually pretty sweet. And I believe this closes. How does this close? Like that. Would you look at that? That is perfect. Just open it up, take out the sides, and bam, We'll have the link to this in the description below, just in case you guys want to be like us and have them all nice and neat. I guess what you could do is have all the glass cleaners on one, all the waxes on the second one, and so on and so forth. That's pretty cool. We won't be showing you how they perform in this video, so keep an eye out for our next video.